Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can add subdomain in Hostinger. But before we continue, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything for tutorials like this. So let's get started. First of all, go to Hostinger H panel and go to the Manage on your hosting. And here you'll see on the left side a lot of options. Where you want to go is Domains, and here you'll see Subdomain. Click on that one, and here you will be able to add your subdomain. As you can see, if you write anything right here, you will be able to click Create, and your subdomain will be created. Also, you can add to custom folder like public HTML and folder name. So that's pretty much it. That's how you add subdomains in Hostinger. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this video is helpful. Please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.